You don't have bad habits, you have weak standards, and you protect them with excuses. You scroll for hours, you eat like crap, you procrastinate until the guilt eats you alive. And still, you convince yourself, I'll fix it tomorrow. Let's be real. Tomorrow doesn't exist. Your habits aren't accidental. They're perfectly designed to give you the life you're living right now. If your life sucks, it's because your patterns do. You don't need more time. You need to stop negotiating with laziness. You don't need motivation. You need disgust. The habit isn't the enemy. Your identity is. You still think you're someone who tries. No, the game changes when you become someone who does. You want to kill a bad habit? Don't fix it. Replace it instantly. Replace scrolling with discomfort. Replace junk food with discipline. Replace your excuses with standards that make you sick to break. It's not easy, but it is simple. Decide who the hell you are and act like it. Bad habits don't ruin your life. Your tolerance for them does. Kill the old you or stay stuck with him forever. And if you needed to hear this, like the video, share it with someone who's lying to themselves, and hit subscribe or stay the same. Your choice.